Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a gallery, also create a gallery page and add it to um, a gallery to the footer. So first of all, let's go and starting by creating a gallery. So we go into the admin panel and the gallery, and then we select manage gallery. Here you'll be able to add a new gallery uh, and you can give it a name. So let's give it a name called main, and we click submit, and this will create the gallery. So you notice that the gallery has an ID and the gallery name. We'll need the ID later on um, to be able to select it in the footer, but I will come. Let's come back to that later. So then we'll have to add images to the gallery. So let's go to add image. We select the files that we want. Um, so we select maybe this image and we click open. And then you select the gallery that you want, which is the main, and you click submit. The image has been successfully uploaded. Then let's add another 4 or 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we should have 5 images. So if we go into gallery, we should have 5 images in one gallery. Um, if you want, we can also create another gallery, just so I can show you something else later, that you can select different galleries and so on, but you don't have to do this step, just so you can see that how it will work later on. So I'm going to create another gallery here, and I'm not going to add um, any images to it. So anyway, now we have our gallery created and populated with images. So we want to create our first gallery page. So let's go into pages and add new, and then we want to create a gallery page. So we call it gallery. Here then we will have to select the template, which basically we will have to say the gallery template. Then we'll have to add the code here. The code, again, you'll be able to find it in the instructions. So we go into instructions and we go into creating a gallery. And you'll be able to, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the code here. So let's just copy that, and then let's go back into our page, and we can select paste, and we paste it. So it works quite similar to the post list. So you have the ID and the show limit. Show limit is how many images do you want to show per page. I would suggest like around 8 or 10. This looks quite nice, but let's just have 3 because we added five images only. So let's just select 3 for now, so you will be able to see how the pagination works. And also the ID, which basically is the gallery ID that we created before. As you remember, we only created 2 galleries, so one will be ID 1 and the other one will be ID 2. I'm just going to quickly show you. I'm going to open this in a new tab, just quickly show you the IDs. So we have one which is main and the other one which is footer. So I'm just going to select ID 1 because it's the gallery that has images. So let's close this tab and going to leave ID 1. Also, please be careful with which tab you select. You have to select text, not visual, because if you select visual and you paste here the code, it will break. So please go always when I say about pasting codes and all these kind of things, please do it in text. even in the post list in my previous tutorial. I forgot to mention it, but yeah, please select text. Anyway, so let's go publish now, and our gallery should be published. So let's go and open a new tab, and let's see if the gallery is working. Yes, the gallery, it is working. So you can select the images and you can scroll into the images, close, and then you can select the second tab and you can select next one. So there you go. As you can see, the gallery is done, and then you have to add it in the menu as you did in the post list. I'm not going to show you this now, but I think by now you should be able to know how to do it. And if not, just go back in our menu tutorial and you'll be able to see how it's done. Then finally, we want to add the latest media here. So basically, we want to add the gallery in the footer. So to do that, we go back into the menu, into the admin panel, and we go into a theme options. To a theme options, then we navigate into footer, and here you will be able to change some different options. So you can change the gallery title. So instead of latest media, maybe you want to show latest images, and then the gallery image count. Maybe you have a lot of images and you don't want to show all of them. Obviously, because this is the footer, it will only show the latest images and the number that you select. I will suggest 10 is nice because basically it's 2 rows. You can select 5. At the moment, I think we only uploaded 5, if I can remember correctly. So I'm going to leave 5. And then here is you can select which gallery do you want to show. So you remember that at the moment I'm going to select main because it's the one that has images, but later on I'm going to select footer, so you will see that nothing will appear. Then here is the copyright text and copyright link, but this is not related to the gallery. So click save all changes, and we go back to the theme and we refresh, and hopefully there you go. Here we see all the images. Be able to click and we select all the images and you'll be able to scroll through them. So if we go back and we select maybe footer, which as you remember I upload no image for the footer gallery, and we click save, hopefully now nothing will appear, and yeah, that's correct. So yeah, I think it was clear enough, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.